The calm atmosphere did not whisper. The melody of a song began to be heard. A faint vibration in my soul, I felt a mystical atmosphere. Happiness spread, it enveloped my entire soul. And at that moment, a beautiful girl appeared. Sparkling and shining golden, I was stunned, enchanted. Happiness filled my heart. Seeing her presence, accompanied by sparkling light and the melody of the song. Dancing gracefully like trees, whispering like baby, humming, vibrating in my soul. Sparkling, dancing with rainbow light. She is the angel Sarasvati, spreading knowledge, imparting wisdom. Beautiful Sarasvati. Heavenly sent Sarasvati, teaching wisdom in my soul. I want to be with her, always enlightening my future life. Oh, Sarasvati, you are the goddess. Sarasvati. In my silence at that moment, the wind blew gently, the calm atmosphere did not whisper. The melody of a song began to be heard, a faint vibration in my soul. I felt a mystical atmosphere, happiness spread. It enveloped my entire soul. And at that moment, a beautiful girl appeared, sparkling and shining golden. I was stunned, enchanted. Happiness filled my heart. Seeing her presence, accompanied by sparkling light, and the melody of the song, dancing gracefully like trees, whispering like babies. Sarasvati